In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and restore site history on Wix. If you've ever made a change to your site and wished you could rewind, Wix's site history is your safety net. It keeps a running record of your saved versions, so you can review past states and bring one back when you need it. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can use it confidently. Begin by signing in to your Wix account and opening the editor for the specific website you want to manage. Make sure you're in the correct site if you have more than one. Site history is unique to each project. Once the editor is open, look toward the upper left corner of the screen for the menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that icon to reveal additional options. This is where many of your site level tools live, including access to your site's past versions. In the list that appears, locate the site category. From there, select Site History. This opens the Version Management panel, which is essentially your timeline of saved work. It's where you'll browse everything Wix has stored for you. You'll now see a chronological list of every time your site was saved, complete with date and timestamps. Think of this panel as a time machine for your design. Scroll through and identify the moment you want to revisit. If you saved frequently during a big redesign, look for the save just before the change you'd like to undo. Taking a second to confirm the exact timestamp here helps you avoid reverting to the wrong version. When you found the version you want, move your cursor to that entry and click the right-facing arrow next to it. Then choose Restore. A confirmation window will appear. Double-check the date and time one more time, and click Restore again to confirm. Restoring replaces your current draft in the editor with that earlier version. Your currently published site won't change until you decide to publish again. Give Wix a moment to process the restoration. When it completes, your editor will show the site exactly as it was at that selected time. Take a quick tour of key pages, layouts, and features to verify everything looks correct. From here, you can continue editing as usual or publish the restored version immediately if it's ready to go live. And that's it. You've learned how to open site history, browse past versions, restore the right one, and verify your changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.